Yo, what's up guys, it's Coffee here. Lee wanted me to start off today's video, so we are currently on the way to go pick something up for him. I got the truck loaded and we are ready to go. Lee is busy at the shop right now finishing up a customer car, so I told him I'd go ahead and grab this item for him. So I'll show you guys what we're picking up once we get there. Alright, here it is. No RB for you guys, but stock motor going back in the car. So we'll see you guys back in the shop.
Alright guys, so we got a used, what is this, N52 for the E90. We're going to start swapping it out today, but before that, obviously, we're going to clean it up and do all the maintenance needed before we put it in, like new oil pan gasket, thermostat, valve cover gasket. Plus, we can take a look inside the engine to make sure it's good, so that way we can rev it to 7 grand. No problems this time. Fingers crossed. So as you can see how dirty the pan is, I guess the block has some like magnesium stuff in it and it always flakes off. So it's a good thing we're taking the pan off and giving it a good cleaning and putting a new seal on it. But Boosted Beamer said everything should be good. So we see this in like a Nissan or Toyota motor, yeah, we'll panic. All right, so the motor's back in. We didn't get no clips of it put back in because Coffee decided he wanted to go home. But we're gonna have to change this valve cover. Dog Justin over there at 321 Powder Coat done hooked this up. We got the nice monster red with a little flakes in there. We're gonna get that on and we're gonna get this thing running today. So back to work, less talking.
That's what we doing.
All right, cool, so got everything pretty much hooked up. And Nick the keys, we're gonna get first start in the new motor. You turned it off? Try again, it probably got air in the system. There we go. Got a little bit of a misfire. Hey, push the clutch in. Okay, it sounds like it has like a bad idler pulley or something. There you go, she's alive. We're gonna get the front end in on real quick, and then we rolling again. Sounds good. That valve cover looks really good. Huh? Turn it off. Alright, so new motor's in, sounds good. It sounds pretty healthy, actually sounds a lot more quiet than the last motor. We still got a check engine light, which we'll get to here in a bit. But before we take it off the lift and get some test driving done, we're gonna get some bushings put on the rear. Because this thing, I don't know if you guys heard it from the first video, it was bouncing around. BMW have these little bushings that like to disintegrate and make the car not ride good. So we're gonna change these out in the rear and then we're gonna take it for a test drive.
What happened now? What's going on? Oh, you're recording me. What happened? Why do you hate me? Wait, these are steps. You always blame me for everything.
Guys, Booster Beamer didn't help me swap my motor, bro. After he helped me break it, he didn't help me swap it. Right?
Whatever, I don't care.
Ooh, that's clean.
Wow, no.
Look at that.
That still don't run right.
It's a Beamer, don't do that on camera.
It still don't run right.
It's a Beamer, bro. You know it ain't supposed to run. Hey, switch them and see.
I like that valve cover though.
Is this supposed to be different or no? Alright, cool. So we got the shocks done and everything. Car sitting a little bit higher in the back, but it looks good. We got to test drive it. My dog Booster Beamer came up here and he went through a couple of the codes, and now the dash ain't got no lights. It's like a brand new Beamer, so hopefully it drives like a brand new Beamer. Come on, let's go for a test drive. Come on, man. She riding good.
Windows down and
Woo! It hit the bump, it didn't make no noise.
we got $5 grand.
It's lit. It's lit. Now I don't know, I'm scared to rev it that high again. Remember what happened last time? I told y'all the last owner watched the video and he's like, you had it at 7K. It never seen that before. Still 7K. Ain't got no turbo, but she's sliding.
Hey, don't clunk no more.
Bro, it's so slow. Why we got a window light again?
You got a seatbelt light.
We got a window light, bro. Y'all think it'll do it donut this time?
Probably.
Nah, you won't. These planes
Traction control. I'm trying to
You
control.
forgot traction, yeah.
Trying to control. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
We did!
The last these things, bro. We need to weld it.
We gotta try going the other way. Brake check.
Does that smell brakes?
Ah! The brakes look
That
good.
definitely is brake smell now.
Woo!
Holy.
I smell that. You sure that's brake or that's clutch?
That might be. No, that's good. A little bit of everything, but it smells good. You know, it smells alive.
It's solid car now, man. This is what I expected when I first bought it. So I'm actually excited that it actually works now, guys. We're gonna park it and try not to break it. Anybody interested, hit me up. We're probably gonna be selling it.
Holy brakes fucking plane, bro.
Look at this, look at this. This is all of a sudden Monster turned into a damn aviation freaking shop. Anyways, it'll probably be for sale, guys. We'll probably do a couple more mods and drive it around a little bit, but I don't know, it's not really sitting on me since it's broke the first time I got it. So with that being said, like, share, subscribe, guys. We still have merch, and comment below what y'all think we should do with it.
Buy the merch.
Hayden said buy the merch.
Buy the merch. It's gonna be sold out. Never get it again.
So we can build some new stuff.